Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Podcast for English Learners. My name is Mira. I'm very happy that you are here with me today. If you are listening right now, it means you are giving yourself time. Time to learn, time to grow, time to improve your English. That is already a good step. Today, we are talking about something very important for every English learner. We are talking about focus, or we can say concentration. Many learners feel the same way. They start studying English, but after a few minutes, the mind moves away. They open a book, but soon they check the phone. They listen to English, but they don't really hear it. If this happens to you, please listen carefully. You are not alone. Let's look at a normal day. In the morning, many people wake up and touch their phone. Messages appear, notifications appear, short videos play, news fills the screen. Before the body is fully awake, the mind is already tired. During the day, attention is pulled again and again. A message arrives, a sound comes from the phone, an app wants attention. Even when you decide, now I will study English, the phone stays near you. You think, I will check just one thing. One thing becomes many minutes. Many minutes become lost time, and English is pushed away again. This does not happen because you are lazy. This does not happen because you are weak. This happens because the brain likes easy pleasure. When you scroll on your phone, the brain feels a small reward. A reward is a good feeling. It tells the brain, this is nice, do it again. Every new image is a reward. Every new video is a reward. Every message is a reward. Learning English is different. Learning English is slower. Learning English is quieter. The reward comes later. So the brain often chooses what feels good now, not what feels good later. This is human behavior. This is normal. Now let's talk about concentration. Concentration does not mean pain. Concentration does not mean forcing yourself. Concentration simply means this. Your attention stays with one thing. Think about a movie you really enjoy. You forget the phone, you forget the time, you forget everything else. You are not forcing yourself to watch. You want to watch. That is concentration. And this kind of concentration is possible with English too. There are two types of concentration that help learning. The first type is deliberate concentration. Deliberate concentration means you choose to focus. You decide the time, you decide the task. For example, for the next 10 minutes, I will only listen to English. You do not check messages, you do not open other apps, you do one thing. Deliberate concentration works best when the task is small. Not, I will study English today, but I will listen to one short audio. I will write 5 simple sentences. I will repeat 10 useful phrases. Small tasks feel safe for the brain. The brain knows what to do. Deliberate concentration also means no multitasking. Multitasking means doing many things at the same time, listening and scrolling, reading and checking messages. The brain cannot focus deeply like this. It jumps. It becomes tired. Learning becomes slow. So remember this rule. One time, one activity, one goal. Even 5 minutes of true focus is strong. A small habit can help deliberate concentration. Sit in the same place, put the phone away, take a deep breath, begin. When you repeat this every day, the brain learns. It understands that this time is for English. The second type of concentration is natural concentration. Natural concentration comes without force. It grows by itself. It happens when the content is interesting, when the topic feels meaningful, when the mind feels calm. You listen to a story and want to know what happens next. You watch a video about a topic you love. You read something that touches you. You don't look at the clock. You don't feel tired. You just continue. That is natural concentration. Natural concentration works best when the level is right. If English is too difficult, stress appears. The brain feels pressure. Focus disappears. If English is too easy, boredom appears. The brain looks for something else. The best level is in the middle. You understand most of the content, but you still learn something new. This keeps the brain awake and calm. Stories are very powerful for this. Stories create emotion. Emotion keeps attention. Attention supports learning. The best learning happens when both types work together. First, you use deliberate concentration. You choose the time. You remove distractions. Then, natural concentration grows. Interest appears. Learning feels lighter. At first, you say, I choose to study. Later, you feel, I want to continue. This is healthy learning. Even with all this, your mind will sometimes move away. You will think about work. You will think about food. You will think about something from yesterday. When this happens, notice it. Do not say, I am bad at focusing. Simply bring your attention back. Each time you return, you are training your focus. This is not failure. This is progress. Small moments of focus slowly change how you see yourself. Instead of thinking, I can't concentrate, you begin to think, I can focus for a short time. This changes your learning identity. English becomes part of your life, not a heavy subject, not a daily fight. You do not need to study for hours. You do not need perfect discipline. A few minutes of real focus a few times a week is enough to move forward. Thank you for listening to Podcast for English Learners. This is Mira. Be patient with yourself, be kind to your mind, and keep learning one small step at a time. I will talk to you in the next episode.